I was debating about getting a laptop versus a tablet, and I got a tablet. This is an S8, not the Ultra or anything like that, because I don't need that big screen. This is just me to test out to see if I can actually live on a tablet, and so far I can. I will go in and talk about the tablet. This is just to give you an overview. We will jump into the machine. I will record with the built-in Android recorder. So see you in there. We in here have to remember you guys over there. Maybe I should have put the camera up there, but I normally have it there because I like different viewpoints. But anyway, we are at it, we are in here, we are looking at it. I have a meeting here tomorrow at a recruitment office. But yeah, this is how my screen looks. Background, I like nice nature backgrounds. So yeah, I have all kinds of things. A lot of these things here are not like PayPal, I've not set that up yet. Outlook, I've not set that up yet. Social media, I've not set that up yet. What I have done is I basically just took and replicated my Samsung phone. So I have a Galaxy S21, and I basically just copied the settings with the whole smart switch thing. I think you can see it in here. I basically just used that to transfer everything over. So that's why you see a lot of things in here that I normally would not be using. I do like I can type on this, but by the way, I do have the Streamlabs connector I'm going to try out when I do my live stream on here with Linux and stuff like that. I will see if I can use it instead of a Steam Deck, because it is a kind of expensive tablet. So if I can avoid to basically pay for a Steam Deck, that would be amazing. VLC is great. This is a game I play. I don't really do Twitch that much. Go to set up to-do list and what have you not. But it is quite good. So again, this is just a lot of these programs either pre-installed or something I'm just using to test out the system with. When I'm on my tablet, I do like to play games that, you know, stimulate my mind, because I use either my phone or my tablet. When I game on them, it's like, you know, when I'm waiting for a meeting or waiting for shit to happen, you know, the earth is going to go down or someone is stealing my kidney. So while they are doing advanced surgery with a fucking dull kitchen knife, I kind of want to do something to, you know, to stimulate my brain. I love this here. I do love the S Pen, using that one. So I've done a lot of sketches where I just sit here and do all kind of crazy shit here. Let's take this one here. It's really responsive. You guys can see me tapping around with my S Pen here. But it's amazing, and you can do all kind of crazy shit now. There's a button on it, so now I'm erasing the shit here. If you want to see what the S Pen can do and stuff like that, there are so many videos out there where you can go in and, not go in, but where you can watch people doing amazing tutorials about what the S Pen can do. I use Sketchbook, if it actually wants to open. There you go. I've been dabbling around with this. I do like Linux for Windows. I do like drawing. I've been drawing since I was a kid. I love just sitting there and doodling anew, as they call it nowadays, just to relax, and I do it a lot while watching YouTube. So this is what I'm looking for in the App Store. I don't want to open the App Store because there's a little bit of information in there. But what I am looking for is basically a better screen recorder to record all of this shit here, because I want to do more things with the tablet. And I'm looking for a video editor. And a picture editor. So it's a little bit crooked, and there's an ad up in the top here, but I do like this here a little bit. Let's doodle. So this is my old workplace I was working in here, and I know it's tilted. I want to see if I can find a better, like basically a Photoshop alternative, because I tried the Photoshop once, and the Photoshop's own, what is it called, Photoshop X something. But anyway, like I said, I want a proper photo editor, like Photoshop Affinity photo editor that you see on your desktop. And I'm just doing some crazy shit here when I'm talking to you guys. And I want a full-blown video editor a la DaVinci Resolve on here. So if you guys and girls and aliens and robots have any idea how to get that would be amazing, and what programs I should use. And I don't care if I have to pay for it. You know, we all have to do this once in a while. Let's do it there so YouTube don't get angry at me. This is what you use the S Pen for, to draw penises all over the place. So one thing that I really like is that if you go into Spotify, I'm watching this here. I like the Joe Rogan podcast, but I'm watching an episode about, well, history, basically. It's actually alternative history. I don't know what you would call it. But it's actually really interesting. And it's a really great device for me to just have sitting over on the side of my desk and then just watch YouTube, just consume content while I'm doing stuff on my main computer. One thing I also really like, I can show you guys that. So if we go into to YouTube, I love this multitasking things that you can do with it. Let's open up. I don't have Discord, so I can open up Discord here. I'm not logged into it, that's why I'm opening up. But I can do more than this. We can do... Chrome. And we can, let's use simplified just for the sake of it. So you like, even though it's not that big of a screen, it's only like 11 something point inch. I don't know why it's acting up here. I can still multitask, and then if I was on Discord up here, and I can watch all kind of crazy shit. So I can sit here and consume YouTube while I'm also, you know, going nuts on Discord and do my things over there, and have a web page here if I need to have them. So let's say I have a editor. I'm watching YouTube here. I may have a note, something up here. I usually use OneNote, so I'm writing notes, and I can have reference websites down here. There's so many things. You can also, something I like do a lot is that I will move it all the way over here, so we get a little bit more of a phone. But you get the idea here. I don't know why it's being a little bit fucking douchebaggy. Can I close it down there? You get the idea. It's just being a little bit of a douchebag right now. Can you do this on a desktop? Yes. Is it better on a desktop, like with a mouse and keyboard? From the form factor, like you have to remember, like you are using 50% less space in your lap. For me and for a lot of people, that is actually what they want. They don't want, you know, a big laptop sitting on their lap, or even a small laptop with a full-blown keyboard, because even if you connect a keyboard to this one here, which I've been looking at, so if you have something like this here sitting on your lap, in my humble opinion, you might as well just go with a full-blown laptop. This is great if you want to type a long time on it on your desk and stuff like that, but on my lap, I just want this here. You know. I don't want these keyboards down here, because the less space it takes, the more convenient it is. And here we have the S Pen stuff. You can add shortcuts and stuff like that. And if you are in YouTube, so if you go in here, let's do the Sean Ryan show. So as you guys can see here,
contractor who died,
I had to turn it down, but if you click in here and I click media, you can see here, these are the controls that you can use.
Like
so can I do this? I can do this. Oh, I can't do that on the S Pen menu.
Let me tell you about Bub's
but you can see like over here is the controls that you can do. So this up area that you guys
apple
I think you can see where I'm pointing, but I don't know if you can. So this here, the up. So if you hold down the button of the S Pen and you do the up gesture with it, to basically just type up or swipe up, the volume would go up, down. You could do previous and next track, double press.
Go to
play
Bub's
next
Naturals,
track, button click,
take
play
20% off your order.
pause, and you go in here and you can switch them to play pause, volume up, volume down, do nothing, and stuff like that. So you can actually do a lot of things with the S Pen. It's actually really amazing. Another thing that's really, really interesting is this Samsung Dex. So if I click here, I get a full-blown desktop. This is my wallpaper. But yeah, I get a full-blown desktop here, where I can have different windows open. So let's use down detector here. Let's do pin up. Let's do the internet thing. So I don't know how many windows you can have up at once, but now I'm basically running a full-blown desktop. And you can connect this to either via Wi-Fi or via cable to your computer, so you can actually stream this to a monitor, or if you plug a HDMI to USB-C not dongle, but cable up its spot hole and into your television spot hole, you can use your tablet here as a computer. This is the future, people. This right here is the future. Let's close down detector, and now it's working like a desktop. You see here I can exit it. If I hold over here, I get previews, just like on a desktop. It's amazeballs. Here we have it here, and I can pin it. Oh, it's a little bit hard to see, but now that's always on top. So when you can do, why you should be doing that is, let's say again we are watching a video here from the Sean Ryan show. Let's do this one here.
Of a new attack, this time in West Africa. Special forces in the capital of Mali have stormed a luxury hotel where gunmen are holding up to 170
We can pin that. So this is footage from Delta Force rescue mission, I think it is. And we can go in and we can do exam.
How many bodies were you seeing?
See here.
The first few
how I can,
were just kind of like
I can
sporadic.
make movies. You know, I can go in here and do all kind of crazy shit.
And then
This
I called and
is
said that he's
amazing
trapped in
with
a room
the
on
Samsung,
fire. And he's hiding under one of the banquet tables and they're shooting over top of him. Please come get me and help me.
Kind of mode, it goes or phone mode. Your phone can't do this, but your phone can share this device.
I can't do this.
If you plug in the cable,
The gunmen
like
are
that,
like coming down the stairs and on the landing, and then
just plug
we
in the
lock
cable
eyes.
and, you know, put that up to your monitor, and you go not. But tablets, the S series
And then
tablets,
he yells out
you have
and
the choice
fucking-
between going desktop mode,
There's moments of blacking out.
desktop mode, and I'm in desktop mode. Like, I'm so stupid. So if you click the start button down here, exit Dex, you go in here and you go back to the tablet mode. There's a lot of great stuff that you can do in here. Right now I'm just messing around. Have a little bit of ball sack there. You get the idea here. Anyway, see you all later. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.